we're very excited to be here for Kalki. It's their first standalone show, and they've done a great job. It's a made in India brand, and excited to walk here. We're excited with the collection, and I think we look good.
వరుణ్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరు బాగున్నా
Neene, na neene.
I know. So you've come here many times,
Many
and
times.
I have known like from childhood you're here, your father, everything. So tell me, what is the best thing you like about the city? What you like about the directors and the work here?
Oh, the work is tremendous. I think they're leading the movement for pan India films, and they're doing world class work, I would say. And for me, I have a lot of memories in Ramoji Rao Film City because I've been here when my father was shooting. I've been here when I have shot so many films here. And truly, if you want to make larger than life scale films, you have to come to Hyderabad.
Okay, and the collection today, you're wearing this collection.
Yeah.
Normally, what is your style statement? What kind of clothes you prefer to wear?
It's something that I only wear such festive clothes when there are festivals on or someone's getting married. So today nobody's getting married, but we worn these
But your
clothes.
song is out.
My song is out,
That's
yeah.
true.
So maybe to celebrate Bijuria, I won this today, and I couldn't have asked for a better partner than Tara Sutaria.
Tara, you've been here many times. How is your experience here?
I've really enjoyed coming to Hyderabad over the last 10-15 years. Actually, I've been coming quite often. I love the food, I love the culture, I love shooting here, and I love the people.
You're looking gorgeous in
Thank
this dress. Tell us about the work. What's on it?
It's a color I've never actually worn before. I get very shy to wear deeper, darker colors unless it's black, and I'm really glad that I tried that today. It's really beautiful and regal and elegant.
Okay. So Tara.
Yes.
So, Tara is a star. So when did you decide to be an actor, and how did it happen in your journey?
I was actually doing a musical, like a theatre musical, and I met my guide and mentor Karan Johar at the same time. And he actually asked me if I'd like to do Student
Oh.
of the Year too when I was 19 and I was still in college. So I said, next year after I graduate, I'd love to. And that's actually how it happened.
So how good friends here with Varun?
I've known Varun actually since the beginning of my career because we were both launched by Dharma. So that's how we were introduced to each other at the Dharma office. So it's been, I think, 8-9 years that I've known Varun. But our first time working together, I think.
Yeah.
I'm really special.
Actually,
and
this is the
sweet.
first time we are
Yeah.
collaborating on doing something. But
Yeah.
I think she's such a talented girl. You know, she's that full package. She can dance, she can sing, she can act,
So sweet.
and she's also a lovely human being. So it's been fun. I think it's been fun.
Very
We've had fun.
fun.
We've had
Very
fun.
fun.
Okay, why did you have a collaboration with Kalki? What's the unique thing you found about it?
They paid us. No. No.
More than what Bombay brands pay you?
More than us, they paid us in emotion. They paid us in a lot of emotion, and there's a lot of emotion, and it's a family-owned brand,
Yeah.
you know, and it stands for so much culture, and we enjoyed just seeing their happiness made us want to give it
And
our
such
all.
lovely people.
Yeah, such lovely
Really,
people there,
really.
honestly.
Sunny Sanskar.
Sunny Sanskari is coming on October 2nd. Please, everyone in Hyderabad, please go watch it. And it's a film close to my heart, and October 2nd, but I don't want to use this platform to promote my film, but I just have. So,
But we
thank
would
you.
love if you hum Bijuria for us.
If I hum,
Yeah,
that
please,
you,
please
Tara
hum.
is the
You
singer.
really
You're the
do.
singer.
You have to hum.
Azim is watching.
Azim will be very
This
proud.
is the best time actually. in
Come on,
Hyderabad
Varun,
to
give
do
us a
that.
line.
Oh God.
एक झलक.
ओ तुझे लागे ना नजरिया ओढ़ ले चुनरिया तिरछी निगाह तेरे दिल पे चलाए रे बिजुरिया बिजुरिया थैंक यू guys I've been-
Of course I do.
Okay,
Guys,
yeah.
please,
I was taking your side and saying,
I'm going to say something. Please, everyone in Hyderabad, watch on October 2nd, Sunny Sanskari.